And we're back. Shall we start this again? Welcome to the exhibition of marine biology. One of the best places to grab some information on the best creatures ever existed. Never seen that? Hey, Dad. Do you know what that bird is called? You know what that bird is called?
Dinner.
No, what's it really called?
Bait.
No, I want to know the name of the bird.
I don't know.
It looks like a heron or something. Hey, Dad, remember that I used to sit in that clam?
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
Looks like you're not allowed to do that.
Yeah, no one's allowed to do something like that. Huh. Hey, do you recognize this animal? Sorry. There's the worm. Yep. Sharks. Hey, look, an anteater.
How you feeling?
Fine, fine.
You didn't order vegan ice cream last night.
Hey, I remember that creature. I think that's a prehistoric sea turtle, was it? I think it was. I think it was a protostega or something. Whoa. Here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Marine Biology Hall. Oh yeah, everybody loves that. The blue whale.
Chris, did you drop our tickets?
This creature is called a comb jelly. Its body is covered in its small tentacles that surround its upper body, its upper half. I remember this one. Oh yeah. Hey, I know this type of eel. I think it was a moray eel or something. Oh, gulper eel. Yeah. They don't really have a good eyesight. And I think these creatures are called siphonophores, right? They're made up of multiple jellyfish that do their job. Interesting. Great. My battery's almost dead. You know what this place reminds me of? Mixels. I love them. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, the common horseshoe crab. Beautiful, isn't it? It's like I'm in paradise, baby. Whoa. I know.
Trying to pass this thing. Started there. Let him try to pass around.
Huh.
Yeah, he wasted it on the way in.
Wow. Fossils.
Do you know how to shut it off?
Yeah.